ChatGPT isn't just for writing essays, it can literally run entire parts of your small business. Let me show you exactly how. Small business owners waste hours on emails, product descriptions, customer replies, social media captions, and planning. Most of it is repetitive. All of it can be automated or accelerated with AI, but most people don't know the right prompts to use. Here are the exact prompts for customer emails. Write a professional reply to a customer asking for a refund in a warm, understanding tone. For product descriptions, write a persuasive 150-word product description for product targeting audience. For social media, give me 10 Instagram caption ideas for a skincare brand targeting Italian women aged 25 to 40. For weekly planning, create a prioritized task list for a solo e-commerce business owner managing their store, social media, and email marketing. Using these prompts, I cut my weekly content writing time from 4 hours to 45 minutes. The quality is the same, sometimes better, because I can edit AI output faster than writing from scratch. Save this video. You'll want to come back to these prompts. Subscribe for the full AI Business Toolkit series.